Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Himanshu. Let everyone come. Only two are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Let everyone come.
Yes.
What about others? Others are not coming. You had English class?
Yes, ma'am. Divya, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, I'm Divya, ma'am. English creative writing.
fine, fine, fine. We'll continue with the same question answers? Or shall I give you a
Yes,
different
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
same, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Darby.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nana. Okay. Shall we do some picture exercises? Huh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
And we were doing the flowcharts.
Flowcharts we were doing. Flowcharts were not done.
Yes, ma'am.
They are still left.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us do that only then. Let me share the screen. Mm. And share. Can you see the screen?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. चलो ये आ गए हमारे questions.
Ma'am, we have done 3 flowcharts.
All flowcharts were done or not?
Ma'am, third flowchart.
Ma'am, we have done till third. We have to start fourth.
Ma'am, the third was written incomplete.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Please.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This one you are talking about?
Ma'am, this one we have to do.
Yes, fine. Then you carry on.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Yes. Third one is done. Shall I scroll
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
please.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hello. So good afternoon, sir. Sir, I have a class. I have a class right now. Can I call you after the class? Okay.
Ma'am, but what do they mean by saying states strong vice versa the central government?
Where?
On fourth point of coming together federations.
State strong vis-a-vis the central state.
Yes, ma'am.
Then states coming together. Then the central government.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done with the third one.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, third is done. Ma'am, means fourth and fifth. Yes.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
And you can scroll it down. Excuse me, ma'am.
Is it done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
No,
please
ma'am.
wait.
Please wait, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Beta.
Ma'am, please.
Waiting, don't worry.
Excuse me,
जी बेटा,
what does BDO means in the Panchayati Raj? It's written now under block level.
BDO. This
Yes,
video
ma'am.
about.
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट रिकॉल करने दो. वीडियोस आपके ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर्स होते हैं. रुक जाओ एक मिनट.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Ma'am, please wait.
वेट. बेटा ये बीडीओ जो ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर्स होते हैं, जो ब्लॉक लेवल पे जो भी काम होते हैं वो यही लोग करते हैं. देखते हैं जमीनों का, जमीन से रिलेटेड जो होता है ना. हाँ.
Ma'am, this way India has 5 levels of division.
व्हाट वीरेश?
Ma'am, this way India has 5 levels of division.
योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर.
Ma'am, if we take each tier to be ma'am, Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishad at each level, then ma'am, there would be 5 levels.
बेटा 5 लेवल्स तो होते ही है ना. देखो एक विलेज लेवल हो गया, एक ब्लॉक लेवल हो गया, एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल हो गया, फिर आपका ये सिटी में भी, फिर आपका अर्बन लेवल आ जाता है. म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन जो होती है,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना. हाँ.
Panchayat Samiti is headed by
पंचायत समिति इज हेडेड बाय, ब्लॉक लेवल पे आपकी क्या कौन करता है?
वीडियो
ये वीडियो ही करते हैं बेटा, वीडियो।
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay, fine. So let us do some picture exercises, okay, for history chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Only this much were there.
Flowcharts are only this much, beta.
Ma'am, for chapter 4.
This is for chapter 3. Chapter 4 also you want to do right now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
अब questions कर लेते हैं, कुछ questions कर लेते हैं ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay.
चलिए। Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए। Take 2 minutes to think and then I will ask you answers.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. So, Vibhanshu, are you there? Vibhanshu, are you there? No, Viresh. Fine. Viresh, first question. The illustration relates to which event?
when the General Dyer came on board.
You have to name the event. What is this event?
Jallianwala.
It is Jallianwala Bagh event. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Jallianwala Bagh
Jallianwala
event.
Bagh.
Okay, very good. Next question. Gargi, name the men associated with the event and what was his aim?
Ma'am, the man was General Dyer and his aim was to produce a moral effect to create a feeling of terror in the minds of citizens.
Okay. His aim was to, it is General Dyer, and his aim was to create terror in the minds of the Indians who were against the British policies, right? This was the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why is it a landmark in the history of the Indian national movement? Is Stuti there in the class? Stuti,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell the answer of third question?
Ma'am, what does this question means?
कह रहा है कि ये जो इवेंट था, why it is a landmark in the history of the Indian national movement?
Ma'am, because many innocent people were killed.
And इसके अलावा कुछ आंसर हो सकता है? ये बिल्कुल many innocent people were killed and ultimately it led to what?
Ma'am, a lot of
Strike
spread all
and
around.
हाँ?
Lot of
Ma'am, civil disobedience was called off.
Violence was spread across the country.
ma'am,
And
every
the
was
Civil disobedience was called off.
British were humiliated.
Fine.
ma'am, police stations and government buildings were attacked.
That is clear. But then after this thing is, complete, there is a next paragraph in the book only, which tells you about something that happened after this event and is considered as a landmark in the history. Anybody in the class who could tell me this?
Ma'am, non-cooperation.
Strikes and clashes with
Non-cooperation was called off.
Yes. No, not called off. It was initiated. Isa is very
Because
good. Yes. It is a landmark in history because it killed many people in this event. Hundreds of people were killed, and it eventually gave birth to the Indian nationalist movements. If you remember, non-cooperation, Gandhiji thought of non-cooperation movement after this incident only. It is given in the book. Yes?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Right? All the three answers clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So let us have the next question. Can you name the states which are marked as 1, 2, and 3? Can I have Srishti Gautam answering this question? Srishti, are you there?
Ma'am, I can't see. Okay.
Huh?
Ma'am, I got it.
See, 1, 2, and 3.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, Daksh, this is Daksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Let Srishti try. Srishti, are you there? Srishti, are you there? Do you know?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Wait.
May I?
Let Daksh. Daksh, batao beta.
Ma'am, the third number state is Chhattisgarh.
Okay. Second one is,
Ma'am, Sikkim.
and first one is Gargi.
Manipur.
Manipur.
The third one is Chhattisgarh, and I don't know where 1 and 2 is written.
One is
One is
fourth
Manipur,
one is
and second
One
one
is Goa.
Second is Sikkim.
is Chhattisgarh. Very good.
Ma'am, fourth one is Goa.
Fourth is Goa.
And the fourth one is Goa. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Coming to the next map. Okay. Can you name the countries numbered as 1, 2, and 3?
Yes, one.
United.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Himanshu?
One is US.
Ma'am, second one is Brazil.
Okay, second
first
is
is
Brazil. Himanshu, first one is? Third is
USA.
Australia. Okay, and first is?
First is USA.
Ma'am,
USA.
USA.
United States of America. Very good. These are federal countries, okay? Huh. Fine. Coming to this question. You have to identify the person in the picture and also write the name of the place where he is standing.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Identify the person in the picture and write the name of the place where he is standing.
And may I?
Yes, Gargi?
Ma'am, may I?
May
Ma'am,
I
He,
tell?
the person is Otto von Bismarck and he is standing in the German parliament Reichstag.
Very good. German parliament. Very
The
good. Can you
person is
repeat your
Otto
answer?
von Bismarck and is the
Can you
German
answer, Gargi?
Reichstag.
Ma'am, the person is Otto von Bismarck and he is
Very good.
standing in the German parliament called Reichstag.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, next question. Next one is, wait. Let me send. Okay. Here it is. You need to identify the picture and also identify the people in the picture. Is the picture clear? अब clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ.
Ma'am, this
And the
picture
picture is the
This is Hall of
proclamation of
Mirrors.
the German
What's the
Empire
next?
in the Hall of Mirrors
Very
at
good.
Versailles.
Very good.
And then the person is Anton von Werner.
No, Anton von Born.
Okay.
Ma'am, there are commanders of Prussian army also.
Yes. Very good.
At the center, the Kaiser.
Very
Caesar
good.
William first.
Ma'am, Bismarck
Caesar,
is also
हाँ.
German.
Near them is Bismarck.
This picture. What was this picture all about? Can you tell?
Ma'am, it was
And
about
the proclamation of
And the proclamation of the German Empire in the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next
Ma'am, can you please
question.
show the third one again? The
This
world
is
map.
okay. Showing. Wait a second. Wait a second. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
And can you show India map also?
Showing. Wait a second. This is India map.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए अब हम एक मैच द फॉलोइंग करते हैं. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए ये आया आपका मैच द फॉलोइंग. ठीक है. चलो डू इट साइलेंटली एंड देन आई विल आस्क यू कि क्या इसके आंसर्स हैं. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ चलो.
Ma'am, first one done.
Okay. Yes. Can we have Nana telling the answer? First one, district level in rural areas.
Ma'am, panchayat.
Okay. Pavni, 1/3 of all
Yes.
polling positions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, for
Ma'am.
the district level, it should be Jilla Parishad.